Hey guys, to fix this problem, all you need to do here is to write run or press Windows and R key. And then here you need to look for msconfig, press OK. Then go to boot, then go to advanced options, select number of processors and select 4. Apply the changes and restart your computer. And after you install the game, go back here and then uncheck this box, restart your computer, and the problem should be fixed. Go and search and write edit power plan. Then you go to power options, make sure it's balanced. Then go to change plan settings, change advanced power settings. Then on this new window here, you need to look for processor power management and then select maximum and setting and set to 99% and apply the changes. Then what you need to do here, you need to go back to ms write run, go to msconfig, then go to boot services, again advanced options, number of processes, select from 6 to 8, and then do the same like I did in the basically in the start. Press OK, restart your computer, try to install game, and then go back and change it and tick the box out and make sure number of processes is not ticked. And yeah, that's basically it what you need to do here. But if this method did not work for you, what you need to do here is to right view advanced system settings. Then here under the advanced, you should see performance, select settings, then press on advanced again, then go to virtual memory and press change. Then select, make sure this option is unticked, then select custom size, and on custom size you need to write 4096, and on maximum size you need to write 8192. Press set, apply the changes, restart your computer. Next up, what you need to do here, you need to go and search, write cmd, right click on it, run as admin. Then here you need to put first command is sfc space / scan now, and you need to wait until your computer will find corrupted files and replace it, and after that you need to restart your computer. And then you need to put /sm /online /cleanup-image /restore health, and then you need to wait until this basically task will end, and after that just restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. So that's pretty much it.